Discussions around AI have focused too much on better prompting. The idea is that AI should predict and enforce decisions before you ask. First, let's explore manual prompting and human intervention. This method requires humans to craft explicit instructions each time, creating a bottleneck. Static instructions lack adaptability and sustainable scalability. They become obsolete in dynamic environments where contexts continuously change. The ideal is autonomous AI systems that can predict situations, execute actions, and self-optimize without waiting for explicit instructions. Transitioning to dynamic systems requires a complete rethink of AI designs that integrate internal feedback loops and learning mechanisms. New AI systems will learn, predict, optimize, and execute autonomously, offering a shift towards truly intelligent systems capable of adapting to complex environments. At the most fundamental level, AI operates based on direct human input. The system waits for users to provide explicit instructions. This approach treats AI as a passive tool. It does not initiate actions, it only responds to user commands. Every action is driven by user instruction, limiting the AI's ability to predict needs or adapt. This stage represents a shift toward more dynamic interaction, where AI refines its responses by interpreting user instructions. The AI analyzes instructions to understand context, enhancing prompts to generate better responses. AI execution involves integrating, automating, and self-optimizing entire workflows for full autonomy. AI transitions to a proactive role, executing tasks and adapting strategies based on feedback. AI execution in Microsoft 365 automates tasks, enforces security, and enhances decision-making without oversight. AI scans Power BI security reports to analyze login patterns and detect anomalies. AI automates anomaly detection and provides instant alerts, eliminating the need for IT admins to manually review security reports. Once AI detects an abnormal login attempt, it autonomously enforces security policies, like requiring multi-factor authentication or blocking access. AI reliably filters out false alarms by cross-referencing anomalies with known attack patterns, escalating only genuine threats. AI scans Excel files for pending approvals, triggering automated follow-ups or escalations when invoices remain unapproved. AI identifies workflow bottlenecks in real time, automatically escalating approval requests to prevent delays. AI dynamically optimizes business process automation based on past workflows, improving efficiency without manual changes. AI continuously monitors SharePoint for security violations, flagging unauthorized access and unusual activities in real time. If unauthorized access is detected, AI can revoke permissions instantly and notify the security team, enhancing compliance. AI enforces compliance policies dynamically by understanding company governance rules, ensuring proper data management. AI scans Microsoft Teams messages for sensitive data and can prevent or redact such information before sending. AI flags conversations that violate policies, generating automatic compliance reports for review. This reduces compliance risks, ensuring communication meets corporate and legal standards. When a security violation is detected, AI triggers workflows like suspending access or alerting IT. This provides real-time enforcement, minimizing risks and reducing workload on security teams. AI execution shifts from static automation to intelligent workflows, enhancing efficiency. Key benefits include real-time decision-making, autonomous enforcement, and reduced manual workload. AI should automate workflows, adapt dynamically, and make decisions independently, moving beyond just responding to prompts. AI must execute fluid, self-improving processes that evolve based on data and outcomes, instead of static chains of prompts. AI should learn from past executions for self-optimization, rather than needing users to refine and test prompts repeatedly. By shifting focus to workflow automation, AI can enhance efficiency, security, and decision-making without human micromanagement. Power Automate streamlines workflows through automation, but traditional methods need human input. AI execution changes this. AI scans invoices in real time, flags errors, and auto-approves them for payment processing without human review. AI continuously monitors workflows, suggesting optimizations and making adjustments based on inefficiencies. AI scans records to ensure compliance, identifying anomalies and generating reports automatically without prompts. AI execution enables self-sustaining automation that detects and improves workflows without requiring prompts. AI analyzes patterns and continuously enhances processes to eliminate bottlenecks and delays. AI takes proactive actions such as approving invoices, enforcing security policies, and optimizing processes in real time. By shifting from prompt-dependent automation to AI-driven execution, organizations can achieve unparalleled efficiency, accuracy, and compliance without needing constant human input. AI should eliminate the need for prompting entirely, refine workflows, and orchestrate decisions with zero manual input. For example, AI execution in compliance proactively enforces policies before violations occur, triggering corrective actions without human intervention. If you're still prompting AI, you're stuck in 2023. The real AI revolution is happening now. This is AI execution. Are you ready? Please subscribe if you like this video, as this helps keep me motivated.